If you build a funnel or a website in GrowUp, you will want to connect your own domain so people can actually reach it. Let me show you. Go down to Settings, then Domains, and here you can add your own domain. It does not matter who you bought it from. Any provider works. Click Add Domain and hit Continue and hit. It takes you to a screen showing the provider you bought your domain from, which it detects for you. Click Authorize Domain. It has you log into your domain provider, and once you are in, it brings you to a screen where you just hit Connect and then Close. If you get an error here, do not worry. Just click Try Again. It can take up to 30 seconds to a minute to load and authorize. Then you will see the message that your domain was successfully added. Now, you can connect that domain to whichever funnel or website you built. Say we built a travel consultant website, we connect the domain to that. The default step is the home page, so we pick the home page. Under advanced options, you can set your 404 error page to the home page too. Then click Link Domain. To confirm, go back to your Sites tab, open settings on that site, and make sure your domain shows up. If not, select it and save. Now, open a new browser tab, type in your domain, and it takes you straight to your site. That is how you connect a domain to your websites and funnels in GrowUp Business. I will see you in the next one.